But today, I want to pretty much, go somewhere where I haven't been. I found something that I didn't see before, but we're gonna take a trip over there. So let's go ahead and jump in. And off camera, I got a little farm over here. A storage where I can store chicken, food, all that other stuff. And yeah, I got more slime basically. I think they got like a max upgrade on the thing where I can collect and feed them. So yeah. But let's go check out this one place I've seen. I seen the place. It should be like down here. I don't know if I need anything special or whatnot. I don't know. Yeah, it should be over here. Is it up here? It can't be over here, can it? Yeah, you see that? I thought that was like water steam or something, but I ran into it. It's like a whole nother portal. But I'm looking for some new slime, as you know, the usual. And I should be able. Ooh. Oh, they got them rocks? Wait a minute, hold on. I remember these, but they're different colors. They used to be red. Okay. What's going on through here? Oh God, nope. Okay. I got some new slimes. I don't know how much is over here. Alright. I was about to say, I thought I saw something new. Okay, I got two new things. I could put them together, to be honest. Save room. Ooh. Oh no, nope. I can't catch those, nope. Okay. What's over here? Okay. Okay, I got pretty much all the new slime basically. Ooh, I think that better than the rock. Yeah, I want the crystal. Mm. Ooh, it hurt too. Let me get out of here. I need to return to base. It sounds like it's about to get bad up in there anyway. So we got some new stuff, huh? New slime. Okay, do it like that. Yeah. Excuse me. Alright, let's go up here. We need to go ahead and try to get back to base. Let me see what costs what, because this thing I got all the slime I think besides the rock one, because I put that one back for a better one. He ate him. I tried to save him. Am I even going the right way? Oh, okay. Yeah, I want to get through them too, so. But right now, let's do the thing one at a time. Okay. So let's see. We don't have that one. I don't know what that one is. Ah, dang, the rock one was better. I wonder can we mix the two rocks together? That's what I want to do. Alright, let's test it out. Okay. Okay, so these should be. Alright, let me go get the rock. So while I am out, I can collect more stuff. So yeah, let me go ahead and run out and collect some more. Was it this way? Yeah, it's this way. It gotta be this way. Here we go. So come up in here again. We got to find that rock, the normal looking rock one. What is that? Oh God. I don't think I got any type of stuff to just finish them off too, so maybe I can get that after I return to base. But I need to see what I need. Oh God. Dude, they clear out the whole little... I think this would do though. Oh no. I done got them, but I got the DNA. All I have to do is just give it to the other people and see how it's going to go. Hopefully it be all okay. If not, then it's just gonna be crazy. Okay. Man, I don't know what's up there. Let me get back to my base. Ooh, almost. Alright, so if I get done this, okay. Alright, everything good. Kind of spiky. Okay, making sure everything was good. I gotta get rid of one of either this or this. But which I think it's gonna be this. Is that a way for me to just... Oh no. Man, I gotta clear this stuff out. Hang on. Okay, right here. I'm thinking about putting 2 of them up in there. I want to put this one, just in case. Yeah. I want this one with this one. Meat, fruit. So, okay. Good thing I got chicken. Alright, go ahead and these up in here. Oh God, what happened? Oh, okay. Okay. So we got that going. Look like our carrot's almost done. Oh, that was done, okay. Put up in here. Yeah, put my food up in there. And another thing, I want to look at them upgrades. That's the one thing I've been wanting to do. They got the drill, which I need 10 of that. Alright. Okay. So right now, what I really want is the health and the drill. So let me go ahead and try to get that at the moment. I know I should have at least 10. I got, yeah. There we go. Okay. Then we got this one going. Let me go ahead and collect on this. Oh yeah, I need to get them gold ones. I know I got them. I got them. I think those are right here. I mixed them with the cat, the cotton ones. I need to feed them more. Okay. Just like that. And it said I need like 10 of these too. Alright, let's go see. I should have enough. Am I supposed to put it somewhere? Am I supposed to put up in here? Okay. I got that. We got this. So, okay. And let's go check out another new area. Alright, let me go sleep first. Okay, I think I want to go over here and check out this spot over here. I don't know if it got new slime or whatnot, but yeah, I want to check it out. Oh, it's a whole little new base location. Okay. Alright. Go ahead and put these up in here. What's over here? Whoa. Okay. You don't even go nowhere. Are you telling me this little area just go nowhere but a new base location? I guess. Now I need to remember to come back over here and feed them. Okay. Then we got them spice one going. Okay. Alright, I want to take another shot going back to that place and collecting more where I can have more coming in, more money. But we just got to sit here and find out. If I get this thing neat. It disappeared. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that. Okay. Let's go back through here. We're here to grab a couple of slimes and keep these people out, bro. Oh, really? Alright. Yeah, they're gonna be a problem. Okay. I don't know what. Oh god. Nope. to see them other ones. Where are they? I think they're up in here, to be honest. Oh God. Okay. I need some of this fast. Oh, it's deep. Oh, you know what? Okay, we good. This should be enough. It should be enough. Not enough for me, but enough for everything to keep going. Is there anything behind here? What is this? Okay. Now I just gotta make it back to my house, my base. Oh, now you won't give me the extra boost. Ah. Why did I fall in the water? All the stuff I had collected. And I fell in the water. Who did eating my chicken? Alright, look, bro. Just because you ate my chicken, bro, now you happy. Go ahead, go. Bro. All the stuff I had, man. Bro. I don't know what to say. But man, I'm just gonna end it here, bro. I'm probably gonna catch up with it next time. Hold on, let me see if I can pull in another upgrade or something. How much is it for the next upgrade? Okay, I should be able to do that. let's see. Alright, now let's do that. Alright. If I even sell this, I should have enough. Oh yeah, okay. So if I come down here, man, a tank booster. I want that tank booster, bro. That's what I want. So I'm probably just gonna get 2 things. Alright. Let's see. Because I want the tank booster where I can carry more stuff. This here, right here. Alright, let's go ahead and put up in here. Alright, put all that up in there. And what I need for, I just need a little bit of money for this. Now let me see this thing work now. Ooh, I can carry up to 30 now, okay. So it does work. Okay, we can do that. I think that's it for us today. Alright guys, yeah, that's it for today. So remember, go ahead, like and subscribe, hit that notification, and I'll see y'all in the next one.